If we wind back the clock a decade, maybe not quite that long, we didn't have the kind of digital experiences that we do now. Consider our TV entertainment. We were delivered, if we were lucky, a Sky dish or a box, bit of hardware that we had to have near our TVs. And yes, it was a revolution at the time because there was a lot of content. But as we've seen during COVID, during lockdown periods, our expectations for entertainment have been fulfilled through Netflix, through Spotify, through Disney Plus, through Amazon Prime. All of these digital experiences are the next generation. They don't just have vast libraries of content, they now are personalized for what we like and also what we might like. The discovery process now is being enabled by our interactions with those entertainment platforms. And that's all driven by machine learning. Right from the very beginning, each of those platforms knew that their value proposition, this personalization, required a new technology. It couldn't be based on the old database kind of mentality that the Sky systems were built on. It needed to have this new foundational technology called machine learning to make it increasingly intelligent. And as we kind of see that concept moving into other parts of our lives, we think about the difference between Uber and taxis and the fact that it can predict how long it will be before it arrives, how long it will be before it gets there, what the price will be. All experiences that we now take for granted that a few years ago we were frustrated with because of the traditional taxi type of process. And now we see that there's aspirations within healthcare to make healthcare more personalized. There's aspirations within any government interaction that we have that they should be more personalized and more intelligent. So intelligent applications are what we all expect now as consumers. We see that in all our mobile apps. We see that in our entertainment systems. We want things to be more personalized, more adaptive, more intelligent. And the expectation should branch into our working life, that there should be better systems internally, more intelligent systems internally, that there should be intelligent applications that we are pushing to our customers and to our users. And that's all driven by machine learning. It's driven by data science. It's driven by data. And that's what Arcanum exists to do, is to help organizations unleash this awesome that they know they all want to be able to deliver, but don't have the tools, the talent, or the business processes to be able to do so right now. Netflix is a great example from a technology perspective. We all know and love why it's so great, but it's not perfect from a business context. We know that you are not Netflix, and we know that you don't have their billion-dollar budgets or their thousands of data scientists, but you still want to deliver awesome, intelligent applications. But we know that you also have some pain and some barriers that are unavoidable because you were created more than 20 years ago, and you may have a market leading position, but you've got other challenges. You've got legacy software that you're still transforming away from. You've got siloed teams. You've invested in data and technology, but the two teams aren't integrated so much. You may have relatively slow growth over the last few years, and that's suppressed expectations internally on what you can deliver. And perhaps you're more focused on operational stability, and trying to get to a culture of rapid iteration and innovation is going to be really challenging. And we understand that. And that's the reason why we've built and architected our Accelerate platform to fit in with your reality and help you move towards what you want to be, releasing that awesome into your customer market. Arcanum is here to help you on the journey to unleashing the awesome that your customers want, to add those intelligent features into your existing software applications. We don't want you to have to think about a big CapEx budget. We don't want you to need to recruit a whole team of experts to operate some new tools or technology. You don't need a change program to work with Arcanum. And so we want to work with you to identify those hero use cases that you want to get into production, into the hands of the customers as quickly as possible. And so we've created an early access program for our Accelerate platform to work with your teams to do that as quickly as possible, without the big budget, without the big new teams, without the big change program. And so we invite you to join up. You can do via our website or reach out to me directly, and we'll establish what success looks like and what a journey to unleashing awesome can look like for you.